going to show you a bonus thing that I do. I call it conditioning my barrels.
Ooh.
I picked this up on YouTube from that Speedy Gonzalez bench press shooter guy through an Eric Cortina video, which thumbs up to those guys. Those guys are badass. But so I read into it before I get into anything. I kind of do a lot of research on it, and I wait a little bit to see what's going on with it, especially something new. So I'm using this thing called Lockies. Basically, it's graphene and an alcohol carrier. And I guess locksmith guys, they use this stuff and it helps coat metal. And just go on the internet and read up on graphene. But I do know that it's good for steel. And so what I do is I call it conditioning after I clean. And so I put some on a bore mop, and I kind of run it through the barrel, the beginning part, then I run it, go down a little bit more, kind of coat the inside of the bore. Coat inside the bore until I get to the out part, come back out. Okay. And that's all I do for the bore. And I'm also going to do, so I have a bigger mop, which I do the throat and the chamber area with it as well, and I coat that. So I need to put on gloves. Pardon me. Try to keep in good practice here. Ha! You're lucky it's my last pair. Honey, we need to order another box of gloves on Amazon.
Roger that.
Okay.
I think they're like $8, $9 for 100.
I'm not sure. I'll let you take care of it.
Yeah, that's about right.
As you all know, happy wife, happy life. So I just kind of turn all the money over to the wife. She handles it, and that's pretty much what it is.
And we get her done.
And get her done.
We get, oh,
that's
dear
right.
God.
So what I'm going to put now is, I call it a chamber mop. Well, actually, that's what it's called by Vortex. And I'm going to put Lockies on that and kind of coat the area there. And I'm just going to run a dry patch through it, and that's it. And what I did is I call it conditioning my barrel. Now, what I have noticed by trying this, I've been using it for a couple of years now, and I have noticed less fire cracking. I have noticed easier to clean your barrels.
Wow.
That's just my experience. To do the chamber brush, though, you're going to have to take out the bore guide because it's too fat. It's not going to fit through there.
So here's a question for your listeners or your watchers.
When I soak, yes, go ahead.
Sorry. How often do you condition?
Well, I definitely do it when I have a brand new barrel. Like I have a brand new barrel. I have 2 brand new barrels there that I've got to take down to our local gunsmith.
Shout out to Wayne.
Shout out to Wayne. Hawaii Custom Rifles. Hold on. I'm just coating it. I'm having one of my barrels custom chambered, and we're going to have another system. We're going to have bedded, pillar bedded and bedded. So the barrels have to go along with it to do that. Anyway, I'm just coating the throat and the chamber and the leads. Okay. It's called Lockies again. Amazon.
Yes.
Fairly inexpensive.
Yes. I don't recall.
And what I have found out with using this, what I call conditioning my barrel, I've seen some, it's not going to necessarily make you shoot better. Nothing's going to make you shoot better unless you get down to the range and start practicing. But I've seen easier to clean your barrel and your chamber, a little less fire cracking, if that makes any sense. And so I've seen some positive benefits to it anyway. So it doesn't hurt. It just seems that it helps a little bit, so why not? It's not that expensive, and at least peace of mind in my head. This, you want to put back the bore guide. I'm not going to load the spring thing on there because I'm just going to run one patch through. Yes, I'm human. There we go.
You can't go telling the world that.
Yes, I know.
Oh, she was dirty.
That's the graphene.
Oh.
Because it's black. So when you run a bore cam in there, it's going to look all black and fuzzy. That's not carbon. That's the graphene in there. When the alcohol, so it's an alcohol carrier. So when it fires off, it lines all the metal and stainless steel inside, and it fills in the cracks, and it's supposed to give it a protective, smooth coating over your bore and everything else, which is supposed to add some protection to it, so on and so forth. So that's my last step for the cleaning part there.